Hello and welcome to another video. This video is sponsored by the Incredible movie. Check it out. Link is in the description down below. Alright, just kidding. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to combine Shopify and Clickfunnels to make more money. So my channel, by the way, is about entrepreneurship, business, marketing, and all my secrets that I have accumulated over the years, and that's what it's all about. You hit the like, comment, subscribe buttons, and you know the drill, so let's get into it. Alright, so today's video is going to be different, like I said, and most people aren't aware of this strategy, so I'm going to try to keep it really simple for you. How you would combine it? See, I don't even know if I would want to charge for this. You know, I'm just gonna tell you guys anyway. Okay, so here is the method. I paid a lot of money to learn this and time, so just listen up. And if you already have a business, implement what I'm about to tell you, and you're gonna make a heck of a lot of money. All right, incredible amount of money. You know what I mean? Ha ha ha. Okay, so here is your store, right? And let me draw it up here. You got all your products in it, right? These boxes represent all the products, okay? And your method, I don't know what you're doing, but typically, here's your store, okay? But typically, what happens is you're just driving traffic straight to your store or straight to a product page on your store, and that's not effective for several reasons. Alright, and this is very important to know. I mean, Shopify is so limited by your options of how you can customize your store, as you will know, and how you can customize your listing. You can't even really you can't even customize it and write good copy and persuasion on it like you can with funnels, okay? And this keyword here, funnels, is so new, no one really knows about it, but when I learned about it, oh my gosh, everything changed. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so I would use Clickfunnels, best software out there right now. Oh my gosh, best community out there too. It's so sick. I would look into it. By the way, you can get your free trial down below, and there's several books I would recommend that have to do with that. So just check that out. Alright, so why are funnels so good? Because you can customize it, you can add in a bunch of persuasion techniques like scarcity, urgency, social proof, very, very easily, like you can't do with an online store. Also, there's less distractions. I think that's the most important part, because in a sales funnel you only have one call to action. You have buy now or not. And that just reminds me of another thing I should probably tell you. When people have the choice to buy or not buy, that's very binary, and they only have those two choices. So what I would do is I would have this. You've got the big box to choose from, you've got the medium box to choose from, and the small box to choose from. Dan Locke talks about this, and it's basically changing the whole entire, it's like a paradigm shift. It's changing the whole way everyone's thinking. So when they're on your store, they now, instead of thinking, okay, yes or no, do I want to buy this, they're thinking, which one do I want? Very smart. So here's your smallest option, here's your best option, here's your biggest option. And it's interesting because people choose this one, and this one. So make this one your most exclusive, this one make your best offer, package it super well. This is what you want people to get. This is your core offer, okay? This is your smaller offer, alright, and people will still buy it, and it's kind of like a downsell choice, you know, like less of the stuff. So let's just think of it this way. Here's your core offer, you're giving 3 supplements or something, and then this is 1 supplement, and this is like 8 supplements, okay? That's just an example. Also, add in a bunch of stuff. I have some videos talking about how to craft offers. It's like the most important thing, seriously. Okay, so look into that. Alright, so there's all that so far, and then how do you combine Clickfunnels with Shopify? This is like the most important part. This is gold. Okay, here's how you do it. I think you can see this, right? Okay, so traffic. You got your traffic, right? You're sending it over. Instead of sending it to your store, I highly recommend you send it to a sales page using a sales funnel or Clickfunnels, okay? So, sales page. It could be just an opt-in page, get the emails first, super important, or it could just be the sales page with all the copy on it, all the content, videos, everything. Description about the product, all of that in there, all the deals, all the pictures, everything. Or you could just do an opt-in and get their email first, then take them to an order page. Alright, so here's the sales page, we'll just say, okay? Like I said, they only have one choice here, but it's not a store, which has a ton of distractions. Okay, so they go to the sales page. Traffic to sales page. If they buy, then they're going to take an upsell, okay? Super important. Okay, no one tells you a bunch of stuff about upsells. I'm going to tell you right now. Literally, the conversion rate with just a store is like 3%. With a sales funnel, it goes to 10% or higher. That's what mine is, okay? That's what I see everyone else's being too. And it's literally changing the way dropshipping is done. Okay, so people just say, okay, sales page plus upsell. But my method, which works very well because your average order value is way more because you have more upsells, more stuff to sell, everything. Okay, so right here, you got an order bump. I'm going to write in a little word there, it says bump, okay, order bump. Basically that's where you, on the same page, you give them another option to buy something. Okay, something totally different. Could be a cross-sell, it could, yeah, anything, whatever you want, whatever you're creative with. Okay, then you have an upsell, but I'm going to add one little letter here. It says upsells, okay? So you've got a bunch of upsells, alright? You could have 3 to 5, even more. I'm not even kidding. Now, your customers could drop off, okay? But they probably won't if you just say, and like, you can't really manage like 10 different upsells. I'm just saying. Anyways. What I was going to say is, unless you tell them that they can't leave the page, their order's not finished, okay? Alright, so after the upsell, what if on every single upsell you had a downsell, okay? Now what the downsell does is, what if you're, like I said over here, what if you're offering 3 of something, and a lot of people take that, but then they click the button no to it, they say yes or no. When they click yes, it adds it to their cart, okay, instantly. If they say no, it'll go to the downsell, alright, and you have a made downsell page, basically where they can get one of it, or they can get it even for a bigger discount, okay? So what if you're selling one cross-sell here, like an item that's similar to the item they bought here. You're selling a cross-sell here for a big discount, but then they say no. You say, okay, I'm going to give you even bigger discount, okay? This is huge, okay? They will convert here, okay? It's huge. So what if you had 5 upsells, 5 order bumps, and 5 downsells, plus an order bump here, plus the main product? This should be a cheaper product because you're going to be able to add in high-ticket items, continuity, anything you want right here, okay? This is huge. So, like I said, it can go on for a long time. After it goes on for a long time, there's an arrow here. They get taken to the order confirmation, okay? Order confirm. Order confirmed, and this is where things can go awesome. Alright, what I would do on the order confirmation page, I wouldn't just say, okay, your order's complete. I would have an offer wall, so I would have a bunch of the products that are on my Shopify store, okay? This is huge. Man, I should be charging for this. What am I doing? Okay, so here's the order confirmed right here. They get their receipt, they get their info, everything. Then you have an offer wall of a couple products that are on your store you want to send them to. And then you also have a link to your store, okay? 3 products that go to your store, alright? That are on your store, just so they can get to your store. Then you have a link to the store. Say check out the store. Check out the store. And then at the bottom say share with your friends. It's called law of averages. Basically a certain amount of people are going to do whatever call to action you have. It's just a certain amount. It could be 1%, it could be 10%. But yeah, people are going to share with their friends, and everyone that goes through the funnel, what if like 1% shared with their friends? You get a bunch of free traffic. Literally, free traffic. So that's something no one really does, which is a really strong call to action. Maybe even an incentive for people to share with their friends. Literally, like, that's huge. Give them a coupon or something. Like, give them 5% off of something just for sharing with like a friend. Like, it's huge. Okay? So this is the strategy. This will transform your business. When everyone's implementing all this, there's I don't even know what to say. Just implement this, alright? It's not going to get oversaturated. This is a 6-figure to 7-figure business plus right here, because of the reason right here. Upsells and only one choice throughout the whole time, very binary, and then finally they get taken to the store. The point of a sales funnel is give them really, really good deals where they're going to convert on the sales funnel, plus they only have like not too many choices. But I mean, it grows your brand. You can spend more on advertising. Your average cart value is over $30. Your earnings per click can be over $1 or $2. Okay, so you can afford to spend a ton of money for your business now that you know this. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in another video, and check out the links in the description and get the free trials, check out my courses, get some mentorship with me, and I will see you in the next video, my friend.